In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets. If you want your data to look cleaner, be easier to read, and feel more organized, converting a range into a table is a great option. This is especially useful when you are working with lists that include headers, such as names, dates, categories, or numbers. A table format can help separate your header row from the rest of your data and make the whole spreadsheet easier to manage visually. To get started, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and find the data you want to turn into a table. Before you do anything else, make sure your information is already arranged the way you want it. You'll want to include the header row at the top, since that helps Google Sheets identify the structure of your data correctly. Next, click and drag to select the full range of cells that contains your data, including those headers. Take a second here to confirm that everything you want included is highlighted. If even one column or row is left out, the table may not be created the way you expect. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu bar and click Format. In that menu, look for the option called Convert to Table. Then click it. Google Sheets will apply the table formatting to your selected range, helping your data stand out in a more structured and readable way. Here is also another way to do the same thing if you prefer using the mouse directly in your spreadsheet. After highlighting your data range, right-click anywhere inside the selected cells. This opens the context menu. From there, choose Convert to Table. This is a handy shortcut if you don't want to move back up to the top menu. If you like using keyboard shortcuts to work faster, here is an option for that too. After selecting your data, press Ctrl, Alt, and T on Windows. This performs the same convert to table action without needing to open any menus. It's a simple time saver, especially if you work in spreadsheets often. Whichever method you use, the most important part is selecting the correct data range first. That ensures your headers and all related information stay together in one properly formatted table. And that's all it takes to create a table in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.